Hello everyone, welcome to the solution of LeetCode problem 191 named number of 1 bits. It is a popular interview problem. Mostly it appears in the Facebook's technical interview round. Now let's understand the problem statement first. The problem statement is pretty simple and straightforward. We are given an binary representation of unsigned integer and we have to return the total number of 1 bits in this number. The total number of 1 bits in a binary representation of a number can also be known as Hamming weight. Now let's understand the given example. In the first example, we are given a binary string. As we all see that it has 3 1 in it. So we have to return number 3. In the second example, the total number of 1 in the binary representation of the string is only 1. So in this case, we have to return 1. In the third example, the total number of 1 in the binary representation of n is 31. So we have to return 31. And the constraints are the input must be a binary string of length exactly 32. I hope you understand the problem, and let's move on to the solution. In this solution, we are going to use the bitwise AND operation. At first, we are taking the first example, which is 1011. Though it has 32 bits, we are only considering the leftmost 4 bit. And we have to perform AND operation with these integers, and bitwise AND operation between them will result into 1, because the AND operation between this one and this one will result into 1. After that, we have to divide 1011 by 2, and the leftmost bit will be discarded. So the resulting string will become 101. And we have to perform AND operation with it once more, and the result will also be 1. After that, we have to divide 101 by 2 again, and 101 become 10, and we have to perform AND operation, and the result will be 0, because the AND operation between this 1 and this 0 will result into 0. After that, we have to divide 10 by 2 again, and 10 will become 1, and the AND operation between these two will result into 1. So in total, there are 3 1s. So in the first case, answer is 3. So it is the solution of this problem. Now let's move on to the code. In the code, we are given a function. The parameter is n, which is the type of unsigned int, 32 bits. Now we have to declare a variable and initialize it with 0 to store the answer. And we have to loop through n until n becomes 0. And each iteration, we will check whether the AND operation between n and 1 is 1 or not. If it is, then we have to increment our answer. After the if block, we have to divide n by 2. And finally, we have to return the answer. Now let's move on to the complexity analysis of this program. Now let's discuss the time and space complexity of this algorithm. The algorithm uses big O of n time complexity, where n is the length of the input string. And the space complexity is big O of 1, which is a constant space complexity. Thank you very much everyone for watching this video. We will get back soon with another LeetCode solution.